So guys, on the basis of today's teaching, you note down 5 words, search the meanings of those 5 words. Apart from 5 words, you note down 5 questions. So I have already told you the synopsis of the story, The 100 Races Part 2. The characters, 3 characters, those are main: Peggy, Maddie and Miss Mason. In Part 2, one more character, it has been added, but that is the silent character, silent performer, that is Mr. Petronsky, Vanda's father. But this is also one of the important characters of Part 2 because it was Vanda's father, Mr. Petronsky. He wrote the letter to Miss Mason, and after that, Maddie and Peggy, this episode starts. The repentance, those phenomena start. So, the author, he is very much successful to present this story before the readers with an outstanding or excellent manner. Why she is successful? Because, once again I am telling you, because it is not a fairy tale. It is not a story of supernatural aspects. It is an autobiographical story and story related to reality, based on realism. So she has emphasized the adolescent temperament, adolescent thinking through the characters of Peggy and Maddie. What do the adolescents they do think? What type of concepts overpower adolescent students, adolescent children? Those are passing teenage. So here Peggy and Maddie, these 2 characters are symbolic. Peggy and Maddie symbolize the adolescent stage. Peggy and Maddie symbolize the adolescent temperament. And it happens in human society, not only India. In India, it happens all over the world, especially in the schools, because school children are teenagers. College students are not teenagers. So, through these characters, through this incident, the author, Elborester, is very much successful to present the story before the reader in vivid manner. Reader could understand each and every character quite vividly. So, students, note down 5 words, find out the meanings of these 5 words, and then I'm going to give you 5 questions. First word, circling, circling. Second, shuffling, shuffling, shuffling. Third, deliberately, deliberately, deliberately. Fourth, holler, holler, holler. Fifth, Pollack, Pollack. And now guys, you note down 5 questions, short answer type question. Question number 1. What was the content of the letter of Mr. Petronsky to Miss Mason? What was the content of the letter of Mr. Petronsky to Miss Mason. M-A-S-O-N. Question 2. Depict the impact of Mr. Petronsky's letter. Depict the impact of Mr. Petronsky's '(S) letter on Peggy and Maddie. 3. What was the mental state of Peggy and Maddie after Miss Mason completes her reading Mr. Petronsky's letter? I repeat, what was the mental state of Peggy and Maddie after Miss Mason completes her reading Mr. Petronsky's letter? Question number 4. What did Peggy and Maddie decide? What did Peggy and Maddie decide when they came to know about Mr. Petronsky's letter? What did Peggy and Maddie decide when they came to know about Mr. Petronsky's letter? 5. When Peggy and Maddie reached Boggins Heights, Boggins Heights, what did they see? So guys, this much for the day. If you have paid attention, if you have heard the synopsis of the story, The 100 Dresses Part 2, it will be quite easy for you to answer all the questions. So, you will write the questions, you will write the answer in your notebook and hope for the best. When the school will reopen, I will check all your assignments. So till then, take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you. Bye-bye.